Let me show you how to make this juicy chicken thigh real fast. The first thing I did was wash my chicken thigh, apply olive oil, apply my black pepper, add half teaspoon of salt. Once you're done with that, the next thing you want to do is add your seasoning, add your onion powder, add your slap your mama. And once you're done adding slap your mama, the next thing you want to do is you want to mix everything together. What you want to do next is you want to make that guy right there, you want to apply a little bit of olive oil. And once you're done adding your olive oil, you want to mix it one more time. And this is where we cover it and let our chicken or our chicken thigh marinate for overnight or probably 6 to 7 hours. Right here, what we want to do is we want to put our chicken thigh into a pan. But before, just to prevent it from sticking, we want to apply oil. So I'm putting my chicken thigh into a fork pan now. Put your chicken thigh into an oven and let that guy sit out there for like 40 to 45 minutes. Don't forget to check it at intervals, and this is where we want to flip our chicken. We want to flip our chicken so it could, cook on the other side. After 45 minutes, you verify the chicken thigh is well done, and this is where you want to take your chicken thigh out. Look at that guy right there looking so juicy and crispy. Subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipe, and thanks for joining us today. Happy cooking.